Hi there, friends. I had a friend come with me to a class today, and the children got to meet Sheepy for the first time, didn't he? Yeah, they did. And so it was fun having him in the class. He was a little bit shy. In fact, the kids had to help Sheepy to be brave. Isn't that right? Yeah, really did. So he was quite shy, and I said, what can we do to help Sheepy get brave and get some courage up? And so the kids raised their hand and gave us some good ideas, didn't they, Sheepy? Yes, they did. And one of them was take a big breath. So we took a big breath and then blew it out, and yes, that helped Sheepy, didn't it? Yep, it did. And then also another kid came up with the idea that why don't we just tell Sheepy that we will care for him and look after him and respect him as well. And so that made Sheepy feel really good. Yeah, it did. Yeah. So it's been fun practicing with this puppet. The kids really respond to it. And Sheepy is actually a monkey, and but he's shy, so I call him Sheepy. And he looks a little bit like a sheep too, doesn't he? No, he doesn't. Anyway, we are going to keep working and keep practicing with this puppet thing. I think it's going to be a good addition to my classes. See ya.